In 2002, we were approached by a number of healthcare providers in Vallejo to come and provide services in that community. There was a community health center there that was really struggling, and we were asked to step in and help manage the clinic. We did that and have been successfully operating the clinic for 17 years now.
We have, I believe it is 5 service sites now within the city of Vallejo, including medical services and primary care like we serve here, also dental and optical services, as well as a prenatal specific site.
La Clinica helped me with my pregnancy from the very beginning to the end. When I first found out I was pregnant, that was a huge deal. This is my first child. I didn't know what to do and where to go. They helped me from beginning to end with extra services, and I couldn't be more grateful for all the staff.
Well, if this clinic would have been here, I probably would have died. I had a pacemaker put in, and they're great people, and they're here to help.
Hi.
Hi.
I have an appointment with Dr. Stinger.
And what time?
We take all types of insurance. Many of our patients have private insurance or Medicare, and more importantly, we also see patients who do not have any source of insurance, and that has been an absolutely instrumental role in this community where there is actually nowhere else to go if you do not have insurance.
I had my own business as a landscaper, and I didn't really have insurance. And the Clinica took me, and I've been coming in with broken foot, broken fingers, and now I came in with the ultimate, and that's a congested heart failure. My life has changed thanks to the Clinica. They're like a family to me. And this is one family I don't mind being part of, because they saved my life.
La Clínica is the only community health center in Vallejo, and yet Vallejo has one of the highest number of seniors. It has some of the highest poverty levels, and the need for a community health center that's based in the community, that's providing accessible, comprehensive services is very, very great.
So without us, there would be tens of thousands of patients without somewhere else to go. And so we're absolutely a critical service to our patients for their just basic healthcare needs, keeping them healthy, keeping them out of emergency rooms, out of hospitals.
La Clinica has made the hugest difference in my life. I mean, this is what they helped me produce here. I just couldn't honestly ask for anything more out of my whole journey of being pregnant.
Ever since 2014 and the Affordable Care Act, it has been absolutely clear that there's a much bigger need here than we are currently filling. There are thousands of patients trying to get into our clinic, and it has been very clear that expansion would be a huge service to our community. We're incredibly excited to have this opportunity to move into bigger space where we'll be able to increase the number of providers and therefore really increase the number of patients we're going to be seeing.
We purchased a building up the street here on Georgia Street in downtown Vallejo, and it's going to allow us to basically double our size, our capacity to serve more of the community. Patients will also be able to access all services under one roof, so they would be able to access medical services, dental services, optical services. We will have community health education within the building as well, and laboratory.
We're so excited that the building is finally under construction. We are already beginning to see the benefits to the community. We are buying locally. We know that the construction workers are frequenting the businesses that are there, and we always have known that our employees and the patients frequent those businesses. We're also hiring and training from the community, and when we are up and running, we will have 100 employees, the majority of which come from that community. That's our commitment to Vallejo.
I genuinely believe that this expansion project is good for the health of our city here, for Vallejo. We are taking care of so many people here, but there are so many more people who need us, and we want to be able to do that.
La Clinica is making a big commitment to Vallejo. We have the opportunity to build a premier healthcare institution that is owned by the community and that is in direct response to the community needs. That's a win-win.
I would say support La Clinica, If I had the money, I would too, because they saved my life.